For creating a virtual environment, firstly we have to open a project folder, and in that we have to open the new terminal. So for the virtual environment, firstly py -m -m virtual environment and your virtual environment name. So I'll keep it simple with the virtual. So as you can see in the folder, it has created our virtual environment named virtual inside our folder. So after that we have to activate our virtual environment. So for activating, I'm using Windows, so in the Windows we have virtual, your virtual environment name, and script activate with that fact. So in this we have to write this exact word. So I'll keep it simple and replace it. Sometimes this may be the terminal problem, so we'll try again. So as we can see, the virtual environment is been activated, and to use it we have to write again, we have to write virtual /script/activate. So finally our virtual environment, we are inside the virtual environment and virtual environment is being activated. So I will firstly clear and I'll install now the Django. For that, py now it is installing Django. You can check the version of Python by py -version. So it is given as 3.12.4. And for the version of the Django admin, we can check by Django admin -version. So it is 5.1.4. So after that is done, we can now start by creating our Django project. For creating a Django project, we have to be inside our virtual environment, in this case virtual, and so I'll first clear out the terminal. And now for creating the Django admin project, we have Django, Django admin, start project, and project name. So in this case, I'll be giving the project name e-commerce e-commerce project, and we can add full stop here dot, we can add dot here to avoid the redundancy in the file creation. So let's make it. So we have our project, Django project, e-commerce project, here e-commerce project. As we have added the dot here, there is no redundancy in the file. Otherwise, the e-commerce project folder will repeat itself inside the e-commerce project itself, and so sometimes it may be hard due to the redundant files. So in this way, we can create our Django project. We have init.py, assgi.py, settings.py, urls.py, ws.py. This is used in the website creation for Django project. So now, since we have started our Django project, we can run the Django project. So for starting and running our Django project, for running our current initialized Django project, we can write py manage.py run server. So you can click this link and here you can see it will give this page if you have successfully installed the Django and successfully created the Django project. This is the first page. So in the creation of project, we can modify this and make our own Django project.